Hi guys, welcome to my video. So today I want to show you, to give you guys a tour of my makeup box. Here it is. This is how it looks, the exterior part of it, as you can see. At the top it has two locks. I have the key here, so you can put your things inside here and feel secure because no one will tamper with your things, or it makes it less possible for you to misplace most of your things. So let me open the makeup box. You see how it really looks from the inside. So this is how it looks inside. It's, first of all, it has 4 compartments, and then it has the lower part that holds more items. So at the top here, I've decided to put my lipstick and my lipsticks, my lip gloss, and my mascara. And then at this part, I've decided to put the eye pencil, the lip liners, yeah. And then on this other side, this is where I've placed my brushes. And then here I've placed my concealers, the things for the eyebrows, like the eyebrow scissors, for lashes, the lash glue, and for threading. Yeah, basically this is where my concealers and my stuff for eyebrows are. So at the bottom I have like everything. I have my lashes. I have this oil, much.i here. This one is for if someone has a dry skin. I normally oil them first. I also have beauty blenders here. I have like a couple for here. Right now I have like 3 because sometimes you deal with many clients at the same time and you don't really want to use the same beauty blender on a couple of people because some people have sensitive skin. So to avoid people having reactions on their skins, you decide to have a couple of beauty blenders. I have my wipes here. I normally use the wipes when someone comes, maybe the person has makeup. I use the wipes to remove off the makeup. Also, I use this one here to remove the makeup, like wipe off the foundation, apply the oil on the face, and then wipe off the foundation. So guys, basically that's it. As you can see, it's very portable. It has a beautiful color. Like, I'll tag the page that I bought the makeup box from down below in case you need one like this one, or you need a different color. There are a variety of colors. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and follow the page. Yeah, bye.